In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit sliders in Divi. To get started, open the Divi Builder. This is where you'll make changes directly to the page layout and customize the slider you want to update. If you're following along on your own site, it helps to have the page fully loaded before making edits, so everything responds smoothly. Once you're on the home page, look for the slider you want to edit. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct section, especially if the page has multiple sliders or large visual elements. Identifying the right slider first will save time and help you avoid editing the wrong content. After you've found it, click on the slider itself. This will bring the module into focus so you can access its settings. In Divi, clicking directly on the element is usually the fastest way to work because it lets you interact with that exact module right on the page. Next, inside the slide, click on the small gear icon. This is the settings icon, and it opens the detailed options for that specific slide or slider item. If you don't see it immediately, move your cursor over the slide and the controls should appear. Once you do that, look over to the right-hand side. This is where the editing panel opens, and it gives you access to the available options for the selected slider content. Divi places many of the key controls in this side panel, so this is where most of your updates will happen. You can now start editing the item. Depending on the slider setup, this may include changing text, updating images, adjusting links, or modifying other content within the slide. As you make changes, keep an eye on the live preview so you can immediately see how everything looks. That real-time feedback is useful for catching spacing issues, text length problems, or visual inconsistencies before you save. You can also toggle the arrows and controls on or off. This is helpful if you want a cleaner, simpler design or if you prefer to give visitors manual navigation options. Arrows can make it easier for users to move between slides, while controls can improve usability depending on the layout and style of your page. Think about the experience you want your visitors to have, and then choose the option that fits best. Once your edits look the way you want, review the slider one more time to make sure everything is consistent and visually polished. And that's how to edit sliders in Divi.